Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for the Nordea app step by step. First, go to the App Store or your Play Store, search for Nordea app, and then make sure you install the official app from the official App Store or your Play Store. Once installed, open the app and then tap Login or Get Started. To sign up, you need an existing Nordea bank account. Next, choose your country selection and select the login method. Most users need to verify their identity using bank ID or another secure authentication method provided by Nordea. Now follow the on-screen instructions and then confirm your identity. This may include entering your personal details and completing a security verification. After that, set up your login methods such as a passcode or biometric login for future access. Once everything is completed, your mobile banking will be activated and ready to use. That's how you sign up for Nordea Mobile Banking. Do not forget to subscribe for some more simple and helpful guides.